Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in this tutorial, we would learn how can we use fill command in Microsoft Excel. So I would suggest you guys to please follow each and every steps as I say. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, first you have to select the cell. Like for example, I'm selecting this 9 or I'm selecting this 55. Get it? I'm selecting this 55 and just by clicking home in this editing group, this fill up, down or right or left, whatever you want. Get it? Just click on fill and you can just fill down, right, up and left. So what does it mean, guys? Like I'm selecting it down. If I will select down, then this 60. Get it? I'm selecting down, then this 60 will, the upper digit will come to this cell. Get it? It will be, it's down. Now for example, I'm selecting this again and fill up. When I click up, then you can guess this 59. Get it? Good. Now if I'll select the multiple cells, like I'm selecting 59 to 60 and I'm just clicking fill and just fill down. So what happened, guys? Whatever the first digit is, get it? The first digit will fill to all its cell in downward direction. Get it? Now let's see if we want to change it like in right or left. Just select it, then click on this fill and click on right. When you click right, get it? When you click right, then the left digit which is in our left side will come to right side of this cell. Like if I select right, then is this 60. This 60 will come to this place, this 60 will come to this place and this 60 will come to this place. Our left is its right. Like we select right and this 60 will come to here. And similarly if you select left, fill left, then this 50, 59, 60 will come to this line. Get it? So that's all for today, guys. Thank you.